Let me ask you something. When was the last time you truly felt alive in your own body? Not just awake, not just surviving, but alive. When was the last time you looked in the mirror and didn't feel disappointment creep in? When your knees didn't ache, your back didn't scream, and you didn't sigh when bending to pick something up? If your answer is, I don't remember, then this video is for you. Because this isn't just about fitness. It's not about weight loss or abs or trying to fit into some toxic image you were never meant to chase. This is about healing. This is about coming home to your body, maybe for the first time in years. And it all starts with 5 simple movements. Not workouts, not punishments. Movements that you deserve to do. Movements that can reconnect you with strength, with breath, with life itself. So, sit with me. Breathe. Because the person you used to be, they're not gone. They're waiting for you. And this is your first step back. Before we dive into the 5 exercises, I want you to do something. Not a squat, not a push-up. I want you to let go. Let go of the idea that you're too far gone, too old, too tired, too broken. You're not. What you are is human. And humans can change, not overnight, but over time. Especially when the change starts with kindness, not cruelty. These 5 movements are not here to fix you. They are here to restore you. And if you commit, even just a little, they can transform your body, your energy, and your confidence in just 4 weeks. Let's begin. The squat isn't just a leg exercise. It's a rooting ritual. It connects you back to the ground, back to your strength, back to the body that's carried you through so much. Stand tall, feet shoulder-width apart. Inhale deeply. As you exhale, slowly lower yourself into a squat, as deep as feels safe. Keep your chest up, knees aligned, and weight in your heels. Pause. Rise back up with control. Do this for 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps every other day. And as you squat, say to yourself, I am grounded. I am strong. I am here. You're not just building muscle, you're building trust in your body again. Most of us live our lives hunched over phones, over desks, over pain we never gave ourselves permission to release. This movement is about reclaiming space. It's about giving your body and your heart the room to expand. How to do it? Stand or sit tall. Inhale and raise your arms high above your head. Stretch gently to one side. Hold for 5 seconds. Return to center. Stretch to the other side. Repeat for 3 rounds on each side. With each stretch, breathe out the stress, the shame, the weight. Say to yourself, I deserve space. I allow openness. I welcome ease. Do this daily. It will remind you that movement can be a gift, not a punishment. Your core, it's not just your abs, it's your center, the foundation of your posture, balance, and power. And when your center is weak, you feel it everywhere, in your back, your hips, your exhaustion. But this one simple movement, it wakes it all up. How to do it? Lie down, bend your knees, feet hip-width apart. Inhale deeply. As you exhale, press through your heels and lift your hips toward the ceiling. Hold at the top for 2 seconds. Squeeze your glutes, slowly lower down. Repeat for 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps, 3 times a week. Say to yourself, I rise. I support myself. I am centered. This is more than strength. This is rebuilding your foundation from the inside out. Push-ups can feel intimidating. They remind us of gym class, of failure, of not being strong enough. But what if I told you? You don't have to be perfect to be powerful. Start where you are. How to do it? Begin on your knees, hands just outside shoulder width. Engage your core. Lower yourself down slowly, keeping elbows at 45 degrees. Press back up with intention. Do 3 sets of 5 to 10 reps, 2 to 3 times per week. And whisper to yourself, I am enough. I am getting stronger. Every rep is a victory. You're not competing. You're coming back to life. Sometimes we think we need complex routines, expensive equipment, or brutal workouts to transform. But the truth is, one of the most healing, body-changing things you can do is walk. Walking regulates your hormones, clears your mind, burns calories, reduces stress, strengthens your heart, both physically and emotionally. Start with 10 minutes a day, build up to 30. Put on music, a podcast, or just listen to your breath. And with every step, repeat in your mind, I am moving forward, I am healing, I am free. Listen, you don't need to do all 5 exercises today. You don't need to master them. You don't need to punish yourself or prove anything to anyone. You just need to begin. Your body, the one you might have criticized, ignored, or given up on, is still fighting for you, still holding on, still willing to heal, and in just 4 weeks. With these 5 simple, intentional movements, you won't just see change. You'll feel it in your energy, in your confidence, in your sense of peace. So take a deep breath, let your shoulders drop, feel your feet on the ground, and start. Not because you hate your body, but because finally you love it enough to listen. You are not lazy, you are not broken, you are becoming. Subscribe for more healing movement. Your journey starts now.